This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, we will need to download and install the free Caffeine application, which you can absolutely do through the Google Play Store. So that is exactly what I will perform now. So this is a very lightweight app, as you can see, just under 7 megabytes. So both download and installation processes will not take a lot of time. So it is already ready. It is already ready to be booted up or launched and used. So basically, open the app. Make sure that the timeout section has been set to the infinite value, and as long as you do not close the Caffeine app, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.